I'm Simon Loh, Dean of School of Computing. At School of Computing, Crescendo International College, we strongly believe in training our students' practical skills to ensure they are industry ready. One of the biggest challenges for computing graduates is bridging the gap between studying and working professionally. At our college, we focus on hands-on learning, making this transition much smoother. Our students develop real-world experience, allowing them to contribute to the industry with minimum training at work. We offer a variety of specialized courses for different career paths: full-stack web development, AI and machine learning, data science and IoT, mobile app development, game development, digital entrepreneurship. By emphasizing practical training and industry-relevant skills, we ensure that our graduates are well prepared to excel in their careers.